maybe like this. Go like this. Alright boys, I'm back at it again. I'm here at Little Lake, hopefully trying to catch a pike. I'm having technical difficulties with my Maverick. Right there. That thing is not working. It just keeps on spinning and spinning and spinning. Give this spot about half an hour more. And yeah, let's do it. Let's do it up. Yeah, let's catch. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Oh, no. Don't go. That's a nice pike, too. That's a big pike. Is he gonna get my other one? Is he gonna get my other one? Come on. I gotta grab this one. No. No. It's a nice pike too. Where's she going? Holy, it's coming right up to the camera. Oh, it's looking at the camera. It's like, what's up, man? Listen, I know you. Eat it. No way. No, he's back. He's just staring at that camera. Come on, you piece of shit. Come on, you piece of shit. No, it's back. It's looking at my camera. Come on. Okay, let's see if I can finesse him. Dude! Oh no! I got it! I had it! Son of a gun! Start recording, GoPro. Got one, boys. Got a pike. I got myself a pike. Oh, that was so cool. There it is, boys. My first pike. That was so cool to watch him come in and get it. That's like a Pike Tyson. Now let's let her go. Let her grow. I caught my first fish. This is my speech. I'd like to thank my mom for having sex with my dad, like pounding it out, pow, 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 and then having Mr. Tony Mustache. There he is. There he is, boys. I got him. Hey! There it is. Pike number 2. It's a tank, bro. We've been seeing pike all day, every day, except for today. Here she goes. I've seen this on the Discovery Channel. You put her in. And then you take off your clothes. There it is. You got it. Oh! Cut off. Alright, guys. Oh, God. Caught some pike today, dude. Super excited. I can't believe it. I caught it. I caught some tanks. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'm going to come out again. But I got to go on at least, I want to say 30 feet closer so I can get on that weed edge. I don't know. Could be good. Could be bad. Anyways, guys, remember, don't do drugs unless it's free.